Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a collective haul from a couple Tuesday mornings and for a couple people. So this first one was for my sister. It's $3.99. I picked that up. She wanted me to pick this up for her. And it's just, these are not her quality she uses. These are just like junk brushes or whatever. She wanted this on hand. But anyway, it's 213-1250. So these are 12 different brushes, and so they're different widths or whatever. So she has really expensive brushes, but she also wanted some that she gets damaged. It's okay to play with. So that's that. And then my daughter picked up the Fearless Spider-Man, $6.49, 212-9258. So it's him swinging. And she also picked up the Captain America shield, 212-9231 for $5.99. So it looks like the shield is going into the wall. She also picked up one or two of these, or two, which I already have. Let me show you. I already had this paper, which is the paper pad, to make his album with. But when she saw these, she wanted to get these. So these are the Echo Park. It has the stickers and the cut aparts and the double-sided papers. The catch is, though, you only get 6. So these are $3.99. They're not $6.99, but they're $3.99. So actually, they make more money if you buy 2 to get 12 sheets of paper. They make an extra $1. So note that. But I thought she only needed 1 kit, but she wanted to get 2 just to have extra cut aparts and stickers. But I think 1 sheet of each would be fine. But 2082832. So I'll make it to take 1 back. But she got 2 of those to go along with that album here. And so hopefully the colors, they look like most of them will match. Some of them won't. I don't know. Let's see. So anyway, all of that is hers. I think it's everything that's hers. Yeah, I think that's it. So this, I picked this up for a mini album. The stickers, it says baby boy, little dude, my buddy, congrats, little one, night night, dream big, hello, cuddle, snuggle time. I thought it was so cute. Greatest adventure, sleepy, hello, huggable, mom and dad, giggles, and then the numbers. And I hope to find this in the little girl, but I just saw the little boy, because I do make a lot of baby mini albums. I don't know if I get to show them, but I do make a lot of those. And it's $2.19, and it's 207-5406, because sometimes I have pictures of them and people don't let me show the pictures. So when I make them, but anyway, they had this heart punch, a large one that has just a heart in it. So when you punch it out, you always get also the fallout negative, which you can keep in a box for confetti until you need it. And that one is 210-6075. I like punches because they're quick and simple. If they work, they're good. They're just as good as you can punch them out quicker. Alright, so the Crafter's Companion, the Vintage Chic for $2.99. I like the background stamps of the script and the that shape. I just forgot it going blank. Anyway, it says Vintage Chic, 212-4975. And that's kind of what they look like. Really was excited to get this Razzle Dazzle because I do have some of the Spellbinders Art Deco dies, and this sticker set will go great with it. It says having a doting good time, a little party never hurt nobody, time to drink champagne and dance on the table, flower girl, pop fizz clink. So, and I just love the edge and stuff. It has that Art Deco feel. So it says have a roaring good time. I don't know what I just said. That was wrong. A nice font. And I got this one, and that's it. Number no, 212-4974 for $2.99. And then it all the fairy stuff out. I don't do fairies. But I did get this stamp set because of the words, and it's $4.99, 212-4979. So you have the 3 dies, and this is Dreams, Fairy Wishes, and Angel Kisses, which I would definitely cut off fairies. Live, Inspire, Reach for the Stars. So I like the word dies in the font, so I thought that would be pretty cool to have that. This is for my sister, the $4.99 pack. The lady was like, I'm so glad somebody picked it up, because it is a lot. So it's a lot of mixed media papers in here, and I'm not going to go through all of it, but just to show you a little bit of it. There's different 7 Gypsies papers, and I'm just curious to see what's in here myself. So, some anchors. Well, it's too much to pull out, I think, on this video. But there are several different sets of papers. You can see, like, spoons. That's more spoons. I think there's some anchors in here. No, that's a lot, but it's different designs. I just saw anchors. I like those anchors. Her husband's was a sailor, so, well, chief or whatever it was. Terrible little stuff. Red checker. I love that because I love anything red. That's another design and some background papers. So anyway, this stuff that you can probably. Oh, that's got what do you call it? Like a gold foiling thread through there. She loved this, is why she saw it, because she says she's a bibliophile. She loves those books. But it looks like it's on the cover of those. But anyway, it's a whole bunch of sheets in there. I'm gonna get that out the way. I did pick this up because, as you know, I have a video up where Yvette, the card girl, on the YT, and also the Card Girls AZ on Instagram, sent me this whole Shamil collection just as a random act of kindness, happy meal stuff she sent me. And so I saw this and I hadn't seen that one. I was like, oh, this goes along with the crate. I can make some albums and hang them charms off. So it's 211-5853 for $2.99. So it's super cute. And it has several designs of these, but I just got this one, a $2.29. I like these little wreaths because you can stamp sentiments in it and you can fussy cut out, and I like the heart. Excuse me. I got this one, $2.99, 206-5314. Did I read this one? 212-6367. And this is 206-5314. I like these sentiments. Love this. Remember this today. Happy day. Memories this week. Documented. Best of. Captured. Hello. So you can use this called Capture Stamp. There's another one at the top. Let's see what that says. Take note. So those are all the ones in there. I like these. And they would go great in any type of journal as well. This picked up from my mom. This is one of her stuff that she got, and this is 2131453. Of course, she likes the faith, the peace, and the love, and the crosses. And I got these fur ones, and they're all $1.49. And this was 2131461. It says, "Love you. You are happy. XO. My heart is yours. Our story forever and always." This one says, "Oh baby, adorable, sweet angel, our little miracle cute button, love." And it's 2131459. And this one says, "Wild and free, dreamer, you're my sunshine, hello, happy place, let love grow." 2131463. And some of these go with some paper pads, that's why I got them. And 2131457. And this is Traveler. Take the scenic route, explore, wanderlust, because that's the paper collection I was thinking about using it with, but I don't think I have that one. I think I have, no, I do. I think I have that one, but I know I got one that looks like the same thing, so maybe it's called Wanderlust, but I was thinking a different name on it. Adventure is calling and I must go. Adventure, lighter what? Lighter father. So anyway, I think these like super little cute. wood veneer sets. And the last one, 213140 says Adorable Joy, Special Delivery, Family, Sweet Dreams, and again, an angel. You can use those in any of my big books that I have to make. Another thing that my mom got was the Life Organized Planner set for $4.99. It's undated. Of course, it's the Paper House Studio. It's got the cross paper clips and stuff. They're upside down, but it's got stickers and stuff. And it's 12 months. And so his puffy paper clips, faux enamel stickers, and micro stickers, and 4 sheets of planner stickers. And then it's got designer tabbed dividers for the 12 months. So, and then it's got the calendar. So that is my collective haul for all of us. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.